Elowyn's Swim Journey, Episode 12.
Summertime. Summertime means diving into the great outdoors, and being outside means wearing sun protection.
We use a combination of sunscreen and UV clothing to make sure Elowyn's fully protected.
She doesn't always like to sit still for this, so we make a consistent routine out of it.
Say yay! Elowyn loves playing on the beach just as much as she loves swimming in the ocean.
She gets tons of freedom and lots of room to explore and discover.
She always ends up back in the water, though. We teach her to always swim with a buddy. It's safer and a lot more fun.
Parents often ask how they can help their child progress while on vacation.
Keeping them excited about swimming may be the most important thing. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to just play with them. Demonstrate some of the skills that you would like them to try, but don't push too hard. As long as they're smiling, you're on the right track.
When we swim with Elowyn, we like to play some of her favorite games from swim class.
Like red light, green light, and the TikTok song.
If we don't push too hard, she'll ask to show us things she's working on in class. Even though our primary focus with Elowyn has been play throughout vacation, she still has the motivation to continue learning and exploring how to move forward.
We also take every chance to teach her about safety and to let her learn from the consequences of her actions. Just jumping in the pool is an all-time favorite activity, and it teaches so much about breath control and how the water works.